Underwriting refers to the process taken by a lender or finance provider when they review an application and make a final decision on whether the applicant is approved for a loan or not. It can be a team or people or some individuals who carry out the processes and the checks, and they are known as the underwriters. Underwriting can be well presented as a type of funnel because right at the top you have a lot of applications, and these narrow down the more checks you do until only, well, the minority of course are funded. In this guide we explain how underwriting works. It usually starts with an initial application, which for a lot of online lenders is on their website, and this just kind of narrows down the type of person they are and whether they're eligible for a loan in the first place. There are a bunch of initial checks which are usually automated because if lenders have lots of applications every day, whether it's hundreds or even thousands depending on the lender, they need to be able to automate their processes through their own credit scores and their own checks as well. And then it gets down to manual underwriting, which is a bit more human, and this can involve customer agents actually speaking to the applicant and saying, please confirm your income, please confirm your job, please confirm your address, can you provide us with more details like a payslip, bank statement, and so forth. And then eventually it goes down to the next stage, which is the final stage, which is the decision. This is usually a much more senior level of staff that kind of reviews it, and they will have a better idea of how much the lender can actually lend out and the amount of risk they're actually willing to take. So they will be taking all the information that they've received so far, and then actually what they might do is reject it, or they may adjust the amount that the person has asked to borrow, or they might just actually accept what they've actually wanted to borrow in the first place. It finishes, of course, with funding, with the majority of online lenders sending payments via backs to the customers or the guarantor's debit card, which can usually be done within 48 hours.